Ready, set, it's all systems go. With 2 days to go before the start of the Racers Grand Prix, meet organizer Glenn Mills says the excitement is building. More in this report.
Patrons can look forward to another night of exhilarating action at Saturday's 6th staging of the Racers Grand Prix. Legendary coach and president of the Racers Track Club, Glenn Mills, says with most of the athletes expected in the island on Thursday, it's now time for action.
We are in the process of the final round, but we have covered most of the grounds. The athletes have started coming in today, and we are pretty much ready with everything in place.
News broke earlier on Thursday that some severe weather conditions are affecting some flights out of the USA. Sprint hurdler Akira Nogent, a former World Under-20 gold medalist, posted on her social media pages that she will not be able to make it to the meet because of such. However, Coach Mills is optimistic that other athletes will be able to make their flights.
I know that there are some challenges getting out of America with the weather, and they're trying to reroute and stuff. So we hope that everybody get through. But we're keeping our fingers crossed. We have in our possession air flight confirmation for everybody. So we hope everybody gets in.
With a stellar lineup that is headlined by triple world champion Noah Lyles, British champion Daniel Hughes, and Jamaican sensation Oblique Seville, the men's 100 meters is billed as one of the main events. Mills is anticipating something special from all three.
The whole world is abuzz about the 100-meter men. I've seen so many TikTok and international thing about it, and prediction as to what time is going to happen, and could be the first real big performance in the 100 meters for the year and so on. So the competitors are there, and it makes for that kind of pulsating action. We have gone to bring you one of the best 100 meters lineup for a long time. Not since the Usain Bolt days in the Grand Prix have we had such a lineup. And so I think just that race alone will worth going miles to see.
Live and exclusive coverage of the Racers Grand Prix can be seen on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.